Hi, my name's Janelle and welcome back to another Behind the Brand video. This week I am working on finally getting my paper patterns restocked. It is coming up on 7 months of not having the paper patterns on my website, so needless to say I am very excited to get these made up again and put back up onto my website. So even though I do have a number of patterns still in stock, most of the designs and sizes had completely sold out, so I had to do a whole big reorder of the patterns. And so today's fun task is to fold up these patterns so that they can be packaged up into their envelopes. I also today have just realized that I don't have any thank you cards to go out with the orders once the patterns are up on my website, so I also want to reorder those, and I think I might actually have a go at designing a new thank you card as well. But yeah, I'm just so excited that I'm back in my sewing space, back producing my paper patterns, which is a real passion project of mine, and yeah, I'm excited for a fun, productive day today. And now I just flatten the patterns underneath a whole bunch of Frankie magazines. It just compresses them slightly so it's easier to package them up into their envelopes later on. Also, how cute is this little artwork here of me wearing my first ever pattern, the Rosery dress. My cousin actually got me that for my birthday last year, and I just think it's the most thoughtful gift ever. Just such a nice keepsake to have of my first ever sewing pattern. So now the plan is to just sit down at my computer and design some new thank you cards. And to do this, I'm going to be using this really cool design platform called Kittle, which just so happened to be the sponsor of this video. If you're looking to unleash your creativity and create stunning designs without the hassle of expensive software and hours of learning, then look no further than Kittle, the most intuitive design platform out there. Kittle works right in your browser and has a whole variety of fonts, an extensive illustration library, pre-made templates, advanced editing tools, and so much more. With AI directly integrated into the editor, Kittle is the only platform that delivers unmatched speed and a seamless workflow, allowing users to create powerful vector designs within literally minutes. From logos to stickers to t-shirt designs, website graphics, even wedding invitations, there really is no limit to what you're able to create on Kittle. I've made thank you cards in the past myself, but making them on Kittle has just opened up a whole world of possibility for me. I have completely fallen in love with all of the different fonts and graphics on Kittle, and I'm actually really blown away by how easy it is to manipulate the text by just clicking and dragging. Once I was happy with the text on my design, I then decided to add some graphics and started by just searching Rose in the search bar, which gave an abundance of search results. Basically any type of graphic you can think of, you'll most likely be able to find it on Kittle. I then had a go at a bit more of a simple font design, and then again popped a graphic onto the thank you card, and I decided to play around with the scale of the graphic and then copied and pasted the same flower graphic a bunch of times to create this really cute ditzy floral design, which I just think is so adorable, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So if you would like to unleash your inner graphic designer, then make sure to sign up to Kittle today for free using the link in the description below. Thank you so much, Kittle, for sponsoring this video. Okay, so here is the first design I have come up with, and I have to say I am a little bit in love with this. The vintage font really reminds me of like classic vintage sign writing. Also added this cute little flower that I just think really nicely finishes it. But then I had a bit more of a play around with the illustrations available in Kittle and came up with this second design, which I have to say I think I've fallen completely in love with. I really love the cute little ditzy floral and just the simple thank you very much. It almost reminds me of the sort of like floral fabrics I kind of go for when I'm sewing. So yeah, out of these two options, I think today I'm going to go with this second option, get some thank you cards printed with this design on it, and then I'll just keep this one in mind for next time I need to order a bunch of new thank you cards. I think I'm gonna just order the minimum quantity, which is 50 of these postcards, just so I can like have a look and see them in real life and see if they actually look good before placing a bigger order. But yeah, feels good to have a new design to add to the collection actually. I think it's going to be fun to put them into the new orders that come through. So now that I have all of the paper pattern tasks done that I can get done today, I'm still waiting on some of the envelope orders to come through, so I can't actually package up the patterns until they arrive. So I'm gonna just work on another video I'm working on at the moment, which I am so excited about. I'm working on a new smocking project because I recently picked up a smocking pleater machine, which I have been wanting to get my hands on for the last year or so. And now that I've got one, I have been working on this fun smocked dress project, which before I had this smocking pleater, I would never have even been able to contemplate doing because the pleating would have taken so long by hand. But now that I've got a machine that does all the pleating for me, I'm able to tackle more intense smocking projects like a dress. So yeah, I think I'm going to spend the rest of the day working on that video. I'm so excited. Let me show you what I've done so far. So here is what I've done so far. It's actually amazing how quickly smocking comes together when you've got the smocking pleater to do all the boring, time-consuming pleating. And the actual smocking itself is such a fun thing to do. It is so meditative and relaxing. I'm having so much fun with this project, and yeah, I cannot wait to show you the finished dress, and I'm also very excited to have a bit more time to stitch this afternoon. So it's now a week or so later and it's time to start making up the instruction booklets that go along with the paper patterns. I did actually film an intro to this day and for some reason the audio majorly glitched. So yeah, here's a little voiceover of some context for what's going on in the next few shots. So now that the instruction books are all done, and now I have to package the instruction books with the paper patterns and pop them into their envelopes, which, yeah, it's going to be quite a job, I think, because I have to restock every single one. I'm going to start with the pansies though. Okay, the pattern shelf is finally restocked. Just look how nicely packed all of these crates are again. It's been a while. I can't even begin to explain how good it feels to finally have these paper patterns finished. It was a lot more of a process than I thought it was going to be because I have never restocked all of the different designs in one go before. Usually I like restock one design at a time because they sell out at different times. But this time they kind of all had sold out before I left to go to Japan. So I had to restock every single one at the same time, which just took 6 times longer than normal, which sounds pretty obvious, but I hadn't really considered just how long it would take to fold up all the different pattern designs and then make all the different pattern books and then actually package them all together. I'm planning to release them all at the same time on Friday, which is in 2 days' time. So tomorrow I'll just spend the day working on newsletters because I always like to let my newsletter subscribers know when things are happening on my website first, and I'll also include a little cheeky discount code. So yeah, if you are not part of my newsletter subscriber list and you want to be, I'll have a link for you to be able to subscribe down below. And yeah, I also think I want to try and make a cute little reel to put out on Instagram once the patterns have gone live as well. Just, I don't know, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but yeah, I'll figure that out tomorrow. Okay, so it is now Monday morning and the paper patterns went live over the weekend and I'm so excited to have some orders to package up today. It has been so long since I packaged up a paper pattern order, and yeah, I have been doing Rosery Apparel since 2016 and I can't honestly begin to tell you how every time an order comes through, it is just as exciting as it was on day one. Like, yeah, I am just so grateful that people have ordered the paper patterns because, yeah, obviously the patterns are available digitally as well and you can print them off yourself. It is just extra exciting when people order the physical paper patterns because I just love making them so much, and I love actually being able to package physical orders and write little thank you notes and things. So yeah, I'm just feeling really grateful today and excited to get packaging these orders. One thing I am concerned about is getting this printer up and running again after 6 months because printers terrify me. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but when they don't work, it is one of the most frustrating things ever. I'm just hoping that it still works the same and I will just plug it in today and it will just print as it should. Also, the new thank you cards have arrived and oh my goodness, look how cute they are. I did get a batch of my classic You're Better Than a Dress with Pockets, and this already has a little note printed on the back. But for my returning customers, I have these cute thank you very much cards that I designed on Kittle. I cannot get over how cute these are. Oh my goodness. And they were so easy to make as well. I'm so chuffed with these. These ones actually have a blank spot on the back so I can write a special note to each and every return customer, because obviously return customers are just the best and I'm just so grateful that people want to shop with me over and over again. So yeah, I kind of want to express that in a little thank you note. So there just so happened to be a couple of packages in my PO box as well at the post office. So I thought I'd open them up and see what's inside because I have no idea what they could be. What? So cute. These are just some trims that I bought for a project I've got coming up. I wanted some cute scalloped trim, so I figured I might be able to use some of this like button closure trim. Don't know yet if it's going to work, but oh my goodness, how cute is the packaging. And let's see what's in here. I have no idea what this could be. Oh, what are these? Oh my goodness, are they stickers? Cute. This is actually a gifted product from LDH Scissors. I forgot this was coming, but it's their new rotary cutter. It's like the big one. The 60mm blade. So I do already have the 52, I think. Oh, 45. So this one here is 45. This one is 60. Just look at the difference. I'm so excited to have a play with this one. All right, how spoiled am I? And the package came with these cute stickers. What the heck? They are going to go on my fridge because I collect stickers on our fridge. So especially this rainbow one. How cute. So yeah, that is me done for the day. I'm just going to be sitting at my computer for the next few hours doing a little bit of editing catch up. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the behind the scenes of what goes into running my small sewing pattern company. Yeah, it has been so much fun over the last few weeks working on my paper patterns and getting them back restocked and on my website because yeah, I have really missed this aspect of my business, the actual packaging of physical products and sending them out to you. It's like one of my favorite parts of my business. So yeah, I'm just so grateful for all of your support, whether you just watch my videos or comment on my social media or purchase a pattern. It all genuinely means so much to me. And yeah, without any of that support, I wouldn't be able to do what I love for a living. So I am just so grateful for that. If you did enjoy this video, it would really mean a lot to me if you could give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more sewing videos and other behind the brand videos like this one. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.